Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable LifeLock security using Norton 360 on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on menu at the bottom of your screen. Once you are on your menu page, look for LifeLock Identity Protection or Identity Security. Tap on it. If LifeLock is a part of your plan, you will see an option to set up or enable LifeLock. Tap Set up LifeLock or get started. Now Norton will guide you through a few simple steps. This may include entering basic information like your name, date of birth and email address. This information helps LifeLock monitor your identity for suspicious activity. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may need to confirm your details, turn on alerts and notifications, and agree to terms. Once finished, LifeLock security will be enabled on your iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully enabled LifeLock security with Norton 360 on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.